The TMA truck we have available here is a Ford F800 with roughly 64,000 miles on it. It has a 4-door crew cab here. And one of the cool features we have is a non-skid deck, which will keep your workers safe even if it's wet. Up here, we have another feature, which are 2 low-profile bulkhead-mounted amber strobes. Now, if you look in between the 2 strobe lights here, it's a solar panel, which charges this heavy-duty battery. This battery powers the aero board for up to 20 to 30 days if you're in an area with little to no light. Now, a day like today, you wouldn't have to worry about it.